So here we are at Esperados Airport, Esperação, and I've just seen there's a TUI 73 taxi into stand, and it should be coming in right here. Oh yeah, he is, he's coming in over here. I'm just gonna watch it quick. Here he comes. Oh wow. So I don't know where our plane is, but this is pretty cool. I think this is going to Amsterdam. Yeah, this is the Amsterdam flight. There's the marshal over there. Cheeky little 7.3, don't mind it. Oh, that's so cool. And stop. Hey, hey. Nice. Okay, yeah, anyway, yeah, this airport is pretty sick. Security or sound. Oh, there's also an Air 001 plane. Never heard of that in my life. Also, our 787-9 Dreamliner is supposed to be here, but I have no idea where it is. So, yeah, we'll see. Anyway, let's get some fresh air. Ciao for now.